Hi cycling fans, just a very short video today to cover off some little simple learns I found not by accident, but I couldn't find them in the instruction book, so just going to share those with regard to the Topeak Panobike kind of cycling data sensor, so speed and cadence and heart rate potentially, and just transmitting via Bluetooth to your mobile phone of choice. So that's the actual sender, obviously zippy tied to the left-hand chainstay. It's not a full review, it's just with regards to some of the features of the screen. So I'll pass the camera over to my assistant. So that's the screen on your head unit. I'm using an old smartphone here, which can just stays strapped to bike permanently, just for ease. All this came about by a few weeks ago. I got the heart rate transmitter, so just to kind of keep the handlebars tidy and just keep everything on one device, as it were. So all set up for my first ride. I got it all paired up. It was receiving signal. So ready to set off. I thought, oh, okay, hang on. I'm not actually seeing any heart rate data on the screen. So I was at the side of the road for a few minutes, cursing and swearing. But when I got back later on, just played around with it and kind of found by mistake how to change the screen. So that's the standard kind of screen setup. So duration, speed, calories. The calories readout is complete nonsense in my opinion. You can cycle for half an hour and burn about 1,000 calories. So that obviously leaves a little bit to be desired. I'll give the cranks a spin so you can see what comes up. But as far as cadence and speed, I think that's fairly accurate. You can customise the wheel rolling circumference to the millimetre, so that's pretty as accurate as anybody would want it. So, heart rate data, where is it? So by fumbling about with the screen, I eventually realised that if you tap one of the boxes, we might have to let's get that resumed, or pause rather. So if you tap the speed box, you get this secondary menu, so you can customise the display. So you can change speed to any of these other things, and after what I'm looking for is heart rate. So simple as that. Click that button, you then got the heart rate. I haven't got the transmitter on, so it'll stay as 0. Calories, that's complete nonsense. So let's turn calories into cadence. We've got cadence twice, so let's turn cadence into speed. And then we have it. So the top one obviously is the main display. I don't display my speed as my main choice because my speed's too depressing, so I'll keep that on duration. And there we have it. Got your time in a little oval shape down the bottom, and then the compass signal. I don't use that, but that kind of links into obviously GPS and mapping apps. So that's it. So, and I've done something now, haven't I? Let's stop that. Okay, so when you come to end a ride, you can kind of add some data with regard to your ride feedback or notes. So we'll discard that. But that's how you change the screen on the Topeak Panobike app. Cheers, guys. See you soon.